Hi, this is Anne with Graphic Design How To, and today I'm going to show you what overset text is and how to fix it in Adobe InDesign. All right, let's get started. So overset text just means that there's too much text to fit inside a text frame, and it's not linked to another text box so that it can flow easily. So how can you find overset text? You might see a small plus sign inside a little red box, like this. Another way to find it is coming down here to the bottom of your InDesign interface. Right now we have 3 errors. Those might be overset text or something else, and we can find out by clicking this button and clicking on Pre-Flight Panel. This is showing us we have 3 text errors in our document. If I click that caret, it shows 3 overset text. And if I click that one down, I'm seeing 3 text frames. I'll click on page 1 here. That's the one I just showed you. If I click on page 4, we have one here. And then page 8, we have one here too. Those little red plus signs can be hard to see if you're just glancing through your document, so this pre-flight panel is pretty awesome. Now I'll show you how to fix the overset text. I'll click on text frame 1. The first way to fix it is to just resize the text box manually like this. You can just click and drag the anchor point to make it bigger and reveal the hidden text. And you can see we only have 2 errors now. The one we fixed went away. You can also auto-fit the text box to the text. To do that, you can just double-click any anchor point and InDesign will automatically expand the box to fit all the text. And that works vertically or horizontally. And you can see once we fixed it, it's gone from our pre-flight panel. The last way to fix it is to flow that text into another text box. I'll click on that plus button, and that'll give me this cursor. Then I can click and drag another text box, and it'll continue on into that text box. Now our last red plus sign is gone, and we don't have any errors in our document anymore. One common way to get a lot of overset text errors at once is with data merge. I have my data merge document set up with one business card, and when I go to merge it and say OK, I get these issues. I have a lot of overset text errors. So what's happening here is some of my text boxes are not big enough to hold all the information. When I open the pre-flight panel and I jump to page 1, I can see that it's not long enough to hold the email address, for example. So in that case, I would just kind of start over from my original document, and I would make this box bigger to start with. Then when I merge everything, there is no overset text. So that is a troubleshooting method if you're doing data merge. It's best to just kind of start over with the original document, fix the problem preemptively, and then redo the merge. All right, I hope this video is helpful for you. If you liked it and you want to see more videos like this, just click on the subscribe button and the little bell next to it, and you'll be notified every time a new video comes out. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.